Hi guys! It's Taylor. If you guys want to know how to do this super simple, super easy, Euphoria inspired look, just keep watching. I love how this look turned out. It's got some rhinestone action. I'm so excited. So yeah, just keep watching if you want to know how I did this. It's in focus now. I'm going to be doing my foundation first, so I'll be taking the MAC Studio Fix in N4. This is like my perfect shade of foundation. So I look like Casper right now. It's just because I have no eyebrows. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use the shade Fair Beige. And I'm just gonna put it in these areas. And on my eyelid because I need to cover up most of this pink stain. Oh my god. I'm just taking a really small concealer blender and I am blending it in. Alright, there we go. For my eyebrows, I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow. This is in the shade Blonde, I believe. Yeah. You guys know that I love this. And I don't use anything else on my brows. I have been trying like feathered brows. I don't really like the look on my personal eyebrows. On me, I'll learn to love it, but for now I'm just gonna stick to this. Okay, so my eyebrows are kind of a process, to be honest. So I might just speed you guys up because I don't think you want to watch this. I mean, if you do want like an eyebrow tutorial, I can make a separate video on that. But honestly, it takes me like so long to do my eyebrows sometimes. A lot of product on my brush. And first I start where like most of the hairs are, so like here, and then I shape the top, right? And then I draw a line on the bottom here. And then with the excess product, I just simply draw the hairs. So then it's like that faded look, you know? Something like that, and then I clean up with concealer after. But I'm gonna go do my other brow and I'll be right back. Now I'm just taking concealer on a small flat brush and I'm just gonna be carving out my brows to make them cleaner. Just gonna blend it out with a concealer sponge. Alright. Okay, I think they're done. So now I'm just going to set my under eyes so then when I do my eyeshadow, there's no fallout. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder and I'm just putting it on a sponge. So just packing it under my eye. And the fallout always goes like under my nose, so I'm just putting it here as well. So we look crazy, but it's fine. For some reason I've been like envisioning this look with like a mint green, so that's what we're gonna use today. For this look, I'll just let you know what materials you need. So you need one choice of eyeshadow, it can be any color. I'm going to use mint green. And you're going to need rhinestones. Got these ones from Amazon. You get a lot of different sizes, which I really like. To need like a wax crayon just to like pick up the jewels. So yeah. The only mint green I can find in my array of eyeshadow palettes is from this Jeffree Star palette. So I'm just going to be using this one. I'm sorry if you don't support him. I don't either. I just really like the pigment of this mint green, so we're going to use it. So I'm just taking this mint green. I'm just going to pack it on with a flat brush. Also, I'd just like to note that this brush is stained pink. It's clean. I did, to make the color more prominent, there is still concealer on my eye. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to be packing it on the already existing concealer. Okay, so honestly, you just have to like stamp the eyeshadow. There's not too much going on here. So it's super simple. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. There's really no shape I'm caring about, so just kind of blend it up to wherever you want. I'm kind of going just below the brow bone. And then to blend out the edges, you're just going to go in circular motions just above where you place the shadow on a clean brush. So I do want to put the color in the inner corner, so I'm just gonna stamp it in the inner corner. Alright, just to spice things up a bit, I'm just gonna use this it's like a jelly. It has sparkles in it. I think it's from HIIII, to be honest. There we go. I'm gonna start placing the rhinestones now. I like to use this Duo Quick Set lash glue. Place the glue for the rhinestones. So I don't think that there's any strategy to this. To make it easier, I feel like I'm just gonna place them randomly. So then you don't have to like have a good sense of direction, I guess, if you're not good at like following like a line. So I'm just gonna put them randomly for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm just gonna put like glue in random spots. Pick up the rhinestone on a wax pencil and then just start placing them where you put the glue. I like using like different sizes of rhinestones, but you can just use one size if you only have one size. I'm just gonna add a few more because I feel like it needs more. Okay, so it should start looking like this. I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll be right back. I think it's beautiful. Now I'm just gonna wipe off the powder. A Palladio matte bronzer in the shade No Tan Lines. I'm gonna contour my nose, but this isn't quite like beginner friendly. But for the sake of this look, I just really want to do it. So the nose contour is optional. I'm just going to be contouring the rest of my face now. Finish up the contour. This palette is a little bit messy, but for blush, I'm taking the Morphe 9B palette in this shade right here. I'm swiping it across my nose and across my cheeks. And a little bit on my... Taking another brush and I'm just buffing it out. Lipstick, I'm using my regular lip combo that I usually do. So these three products here. First I use the Subculture lip liner from MAC. Then I go in with the MAC Honey Love lipstick. And then I kind of go over my Cupid's bow. And underneath of my lip with Spice lip liner from MAC. Taking Spice and this lipstick's a little bit sparkly, so I'm gonna use it over top. It's the Palladio lip gloss in Vanilla Cupcake. It does have a little bit of leftover lipstick in it. Before I put on highlighter and lashes and stuff to kind of like set the face and stuff, I use like a setting spray. Today I'm just using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set because it's cheap, but it works. So I'm just gonna spray my whole face. For highlight, you guys know I've been using this for like years. It's the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I love this. Tip of my nose, on the bridge, cheekbone. I actually like to mix highlighters, so I've been using this like collab, it's probably not in focus, this collab liquid eyeshadow, like the edges, and I'm going to go over what I just did, and it's just gonna add a bit more glow, you know? Because we need the glow for the show. I did not mean to rhyme that, but I did, so. I just blend this one out with my fingers. I actually forgot to do fake freckles today, so those are optional. I guess I won't do them today. I feel very incomplete without them. Okay, I'm taking the Freck XL. It's from Sephora. What I do is just get a little bit, and I hope you guys can see this. Just like dot it and focus in the middle more than like the cheek area. I don't know. And then I just like to blend it out with my finger. You can finish off this look by just doing mascara. So I'm gonna curl my lashes, mascara, and I'll show you guys what that looks like, and then I'm just gonna add lashes afterwards if you want to wear this look with lashes. First, you're gonna take an eyelash curler, and you're just gonna clamp and like pump it a little bit. Be careful with the jewels that are on here, they might come off, but same with the other eye. I have like no eyelashes, by the way. That's why I don't wear mascara. And then I usually use like the telescopic from L'Oreal, but I don't have that right now. So I'm using the Maybelline Snapscara. Okay, so you can add lower mascara to your bottom lashes if you want. You can keep it like this, or you can add lashes. Personally, I love adding lashes. I'll try to do it on camera, but it's nearly next to impossible for me. They're from Yolordi, and I believe they're called Melanie. Okay, so yeah, they're like these ones. Adding glue to the top of the lash. I'm gonna wait about 10 seconds, just waving it around. I find this easiest if you look down and you apply the lash. Okay, should look like that. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one, add bottom mascara, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the finished look. I'm obsessed. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys followed along to it, and it was like easy enough for you guys to do this makeup. So yeah, you guys can follow me on my TikTok because I will be posting the look of this on there. And if you guys recreate this look at all, tag me on TikTok, make a video, or tag me on Instagram. All of my socials will be on the screen or down below. I'd love to see your guys' looks. Thank you guys so much for everything, and this was really fun, and I'm gonna start posting more makeup tutorials soon, so please let me know in the comments or on my TikTok or Twitter or Instagram what you guys want to see from me, what kind of videos you guys want to watch. If you like this kind of video, let me know. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how this look turned out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!